Fellow compatriot, as we move forward, we must recognize that pursuing social cohesion is fundamental about building a compact between the government and the governed. As Hosi Dr. Mongameli Equleka has already laid the groundwork, we must collaborate to create a more equitable and united South Africa towards another 30 years of democracy. Let us all recommit to the National Development Plan and goal of ending poverty and reducing inequality by 2030. Let us all recommit to the National Development Plan goal of ending poverty and reducing inequality by 2030.